Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Trendiest Mesmerizing, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. Many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with eye-catching hair dye, different ideas of haircut for girls, for women, for mature women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, and eye-catching ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and different ideas of haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and trendy ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, fine straight hair, and so beautiful ideas of too short wave and curls on hair, curly hairstyle, and many much more ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.